Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is welcome back to my Textation YouTube channel. So, in this video, we are going to see what are the command line arguments in the C program. So, let's get started. So, I'm using the Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code. It's just the main IDE. So, I recommend IDE to use that, and I have already made a video on that how to set up the Visual Studio for your C programming. So first of all, let me create a file. Click on File, and now click on New Project. Now select Empty Project and click Next. So give your project a name. Say command line arguments and click Create. So your project is ready. So to add the C files, now right click on the source files and choose Add New Item. Now in this we are going to add the CPP file, but with the extension as C. Okay, let's say sample.c, and now click add. Now we can write our C program here. Let's say hash include stdio.h. So now I have created the stdio.h header. Sorry, just included. Now what I can do is write the main function void main. Now main function takes two arguments. One is the argument count. It means the number of arguments that you wanna pass to the file. And second is a pointer to the array of arguments. Okay, you don't need to understand what pointers are for right now. Just understand it. It's an array where your arguments are stored in a row. And we use the char star star argv. And now whatever the arguments you are going to pass, the total number of arguments are stored in the argc, and the actual arguments are stored in the pointer array called argv. So what's this thing? Okay, let's do some practical. Now I'm going to set a breakpoint at here. Now to add command line arguments, right click on your project, click on properties and go to debugging, and there you can see option called command arguments. There you can give your command line arguments. Say the first two arguments you're going to give are hi and hello. Actually, if you give any arguments, the extra argument will be added at the starting, that is the file name. So let's see how it will be. Now click on OK. Now since our breakpoint has been set, now click on local Windows debugger. Now our program has faced the breakpoint and it has stopped there. Now what you're gonna do is, okay, now click on watch on and type argc. Now you can see the value of argc, that is the argument count, which is 3, but we have passed only 2. The other argument is the file name, the actual path to that file name. So let's see what argv is. And argv shows a memory address, and which in turn shows a path. So to fully observe what this is, now let's open a memory window. Now click on debug Windows and choose memory 1. So now what I can do is I can type here any address and I can get the value right up here. So let me type argc. I'm sorry, argc, it says the 3 in hexadecimal. It's just showing the value, but what I actually want to do is argc. Now there you go, 030000. This is written in a format which you can convert and you get the 3 as the result. So how to see our actual arguments hi and hello? The one way is now just copy paste this address right into here, 0x011FFE68. Okay, it's a 78. So now you can see the actual file path to our executable. It's a C users and command and arguments.exe, and we can see the next arguments are hi and hello, which we pass it to the program. To see this, you can get the same value. Now you type argv of 1 and you can see hi. It's a 6869 is the hexadecimal representation. Now if you type argv of 1, we will get the third argument and it's hello. So I know this may sound confusing, but when you study about arrays it will be very clear. So thanks for watching, guys.